Let's go. 216 packs of Champions Path. So normally what we do is we do like shots when we do this, but Vivid Voltage comes out in a month. So we'll be doing that next month for sure. Yeah, next month. We got 216. We're looking for Gardevoir VMAXs. I don't know any other like super good cards that we're looking for. I just know Gardevoir is one of the decks that I do want to test out with this. Versus Pokemon Center Lady, and then we have got a Rainbow Rare Kabu, 3 packs in. We're gonna do instead of taking sauces. I mean, I gotta drink this anyway. We gotta get our. Look at that Kabu. I don't know if Kabu is necessarily playable, but shuffle your hand into your deck, then draw 4 cards for active Pokemon. It's your only Pokemon play. Draw 8 cards. Definitely can't use that in Eternatus, but Rainbow Kabu, let's go. Machamp. Buddy, what are you doing? God, you're miraculously charming me. Jeez. Got bead. Reverse research. Do we get a double research? No, it's Scrafty. I'm hoping we get a double research pack. I don't know why. I think that'd be pretty hype. The first half of Sun and Moon. Incineroar V's a new one. Here we go. We got Grand Flame, Flare Blitzer. I don't know how. Playable. This one is, but I'm tempted to try out the different decks. Let's go. Oh, Eldegoss is in here. Reverse Sonia. Oh, our second Lucario. I want to get Gardevoir, so. Reverse Energy. Yes, there we go. Our first Gardevoir. 1 of 3 done. Magical Shot. Reverse Rotom Phone. We got a secret rare. Suspicious of Futon. Look at this. Wait. We can pair this up with Gardevoir. Heal 80 damage for one of your Pokemon that has at least 1 psychic energy attached to it. Oh, but we have to discard an energy. That sucks. We're gonna need a lot of energy. This is probably one of the weirdest gold cards, but it's pretty sus. Pretty sus. I would not eat whatever food is in there. For sure. That's second Incineroar. Because we already do have our playset. Venusaur. Pollen Bomb and Solar Typhoon. Okay. I think the only way we get a double research is if both of the cards are flipped behind. With like this. This could be a double research or a double Marnie. Oh, well, it's Obstagoon. Ooh, we could have a double research back. Oh, nope, it's Hat. It's Hat and Scrafty. Let's go. Gardevoir. I'm feeling a good card in this pack. Machamp. I felt fire, not that fire. Okay, Zygarde. Ooh, Grapple Lock. Okay, so our first one of this, we do have a full art of Grapple Lock. Reverse Pierce. Yes! Yes! I mean, I don't care for full arts, but Gardevoir V full art looking so pretty. Magical Shot, Swelling Pulse. We got back-to-back Gardevoir V. Gardevoir V Max. Now we're 2 and 2. We need 1 more of each. Let's go. What are we hoping for if we don't pull them? Full art hop, let's go. How is that 3 full arts in a row? We got that full art Gardevoir V. We got that Gardevoir V Max, which is going to be a full art regardless. And then we've got hop. Reverse energy, we got double fire, which means this pull is about to be fire. I mean, I guess technically it is. Thanks for double research. Altaria. We do have a Swablu. Can this be a family pack with a double Altaria? No, it's Marnie. Ugh. Alright, second Eldegoss. Alright, we still need one more of Gardevoir and the VMAX. For the full art Grappalock, let's go. We're getting pulls consecutively, and then we have a dry spell, and then we get some good pulls here. Okay. Can we get double research? No! Dream and hey, oh, I forgot Incineroar for one of these. We got a third Incineroar V, so pretty much almost make a set with this. I mean, a deck with this. Ground Point, Fire Blitzer. Our second Rainbow Kabu. Look at this. So we've got 2 rainbows, a secret rare. Let's go. Too bad it's just Kabu again, but I don't know what other rainbows are in this set. Which I'm excited to test out the VGC team that we're trying today. Oh my, this card is beautiful! Wait, now I want this card in real life! Okay, we got Victini. Oh, Duraludon V! I didn't know this was a card in here. Oh! Oh, reverse Marnie. Do we get a double Marnie? No, we get another full art hop. This and hop full art love us. Grappalock V is that Taya Moonsault press. Ooh, oh, Whale Lord, I forgot. We're still looking for that Gardevoirs.
Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. Oh, I can't see this real quick. Oh. It hasn't even loaded. Galarian Cursal, I didn't know this was a thing. Yes, there we go. We got our three Gardevoir V Maxes. We just need one more Gardevoir with that Max here. Oh, there we go. 4 Lucario Vs. Ooh, reverse lightning. Dreadnought? There's so many V cards that we haven't pulled yet. Don't know if I like it. Got 100 packs left. Did you get all the trainers that you need for it though? Another Gardevoir VMAX! If you do exclamation point codes, I buy my codes from the game Capital. I also buy my booster boxes from there. You can use the code UNCURLED. You get 5% off TCGO codes. And I believe Jeff's got... Oh, there's a Grappalock. I believe Jeff's got more Champions Paths, so you can definitely do that. There's the Alcremie V. The VMAX is so pretty. Bead. Our second Whale Lord. Can almost do a deck of this. And there's an Eldegoss. Zach Ladder's a lot on here. Full art Galarian Cursula. Arbok. Oh, Rainbow Piers. Let's go. There's Rockruff. The full art Dreadnought though. Weedle. There we go. There's our Gardevoir. So we've got 3 of these because we've got 1 full art. Reverse Dark. Dreadnought VMAX. Okay, look at this thing's eyes. Person, I'm using the rental team, so. 3 Rainbow Kabus. Jeez. What set's Golisopod from? There's our second Duraludon. Stepper told me he opened like 200 packs and he got most of the cards. Another sus Futon secret rare! Let's go. I don't know what gold cards are in here. This is the only one that we pulled. Incineroar. There's an extra Incineroar. We can try and trade that one. I don't know if I'll try that. Send a Scorch. And another sus Futon. Pierce. Grapple lock. Ooh. Hat. Hey. There we go. Back to pack pulls. Look at that. Last 50 packs. Let's go. We're already in it. But let's see. Another Incineroar. First Purloin. We literally have four grapple lock, okay. Reverse Fairy. I mean, this is an IRL, but we got that shiny Charizard V card. Is Charizard a good? There's 4 Eldegoss. Now another Incineroar. Another Rainbow Pierce. Zygarde. Oh, another Alcremie. Obstagoon, and how do we have a playset of the sus Futons. Pretty happy regardless, but oh, do we get double research? No. Alright, 10 packs. Can we get any last minute goodies? Let's go. I feel some fire. In the 10 packs, not in that pack specifically. I feel like one more good pull. It's coming. One more. Not that one. Not that one either. 5 packs. Send a Scorch. Okay, we've got 3 packs. Hey, we got another Wailord! That's what I said I'd be happy with if we got! 3 Wailord. Rock, and our last pack is going to be, so no double research, but our last pack, we've got a Victini. It has to be some Victory Mon. Let's go. A Graplock, who seems to love us.